Number 3057, easy push. Hey, I'm Philip, and in this video series I'm gonna solve all TypeScript type challenges and walk you through the solutions. Follow along if you wanna learn and become a TypeScript pro. Easy push. Implement the generic version of array push. You get one array and another value, and basically that value gets appended to the array. As always, we go with type test equals push of 1, 2, 3, should be any, is any. I would say we do here already extends any array, read only unknown array to do it clean, and u can be anything. So we have t and u. All the tests pass. I would say we take a look at online solutions. Push t extends unknown array, u spread over t and put in u. Yeah, I would say that was really easy. If this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.